YakBack.
Hi, welcome to YakBack. Who wants to go fishing? I've got my pole. Let's catch some fish. Let's see if we can get one to bite. Are the fish biting? We got a pink fish. Pink fish. Pink fish. What do you have, fish? Oh, he has a man. The man is lost. 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 That man is lost. 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 Let's catch another fish. What color do you want us to catch? We caught a blue fish. Blue fish. Blue. What do you have, blue fish? Let's see. It has a desk. 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 Desk, desk, desk. It's a desk. Let's catch another fish. I wonder if we'll get the yellow fish. We did. We did get the yellow fish. Yellow fish. What do you have? It has a nest. 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 The fish had a nest. 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 2 fish left. Oh, there were 3. We caught the green fish. Green fish. He has ask, 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 ask. That little boy wants to ask a question. Do you think we should get the purple fish or the orange fish? Let's try for the purple fish. We caught the purple fish. What do you have, purple fish? It has a vest, a vest, a vest, vest. Do you like to wear vests? Vest, vest. Last fish. Let's catch the orange fish. Orange fish. What do you have? It's a little boy. He's running fast. 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 Look how fast he is. Fast. 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 Bye-bye.
YakBack.